Hello parents, I am Sneha Rawal, homeroom teacher of Junior KG Orchid. On behalf of Seven Isles International School, welcome you all for the orientation program of Junior KG for the academic year of 2021-22. What happens in kindergarten lasts for lifetime. Means sometimes we don't remember our formulas, our theories, but we do remember our rhymes and stories we learned during kindergarten. And Junior KG is the most important part of it. Nursery is the base of learning, and that base is nurtured in Junior KG. And children develop their motor skills, their communication skills, sounds, numbers, general knowledge, and many more things in Junior KG. And with the help of sounds, they are also able to learn new words, new sentences, and they are comfortable in Senior KG. So, Junior KG plays a very important role in kindergarten. I am here to explain you the curriculum, assessment, and some specific points to be followed during the Junior KG session. So, first we will know about the curriculum of Junior KG. In our curriculum, we have 5 subjects: English, Maths, Hindi, General Knowledge, and Art. In English, children will recognize lines, patterns, curves, capital and small letters A to Z. With the help of phonic sounds, they will also be able to write 2-letter words and also recognize 3-letter words. Phonic sound will play a very important role in Junior KG, and communication in complete sentences will be done. In maths, children will learn numbers 1 to 100 orally and writing 1 to 50 with missing numbers, before-after numbers, backward number, and even pictorial addition and subtraction with some concepts like big, small, more, less, light, heavy, and many more. And now about Hindi. The subject Hindi will be introduced them in this early age so that they will be comfortable with the language, writing and reading, and even speaking the language so that the kids don't find it difficult in higher grades. So in Junior KG, the Hindi subject, all the children will learn Swar A to Aha and numbers 1 to 20 orally and 1 to 10 in writing. Apart from that, they will also learn some names of animals, fruits, vegetables, transport in Hindi. And now for general knowledge, we follow our school diary pattern. In our school diary, general knowledge topics are divided in each month and we pick all the topics accordingly and do activities related to that. The topics are such as shapes and colors, body parts, sensory organs, rainy season, animals, birds, insects, community helpers, vegetables, fruits, good manners, good habits. So all these topics will be covered and there will be a lot of information shared to the children regarding all the general knowledge topics during the session. And now about art. Art is an expression or application of human creativity, and it's very important that children express themselves through this age. They start expressing themselves, and whatever they think, whatever they want to create, they can do with the art. So now in art we also have many takeaway activities, and we also have grid painting, fan folding, we have origami, we also organize some competitions related to art. We have vegetable printing, foot printing, thumb printing, hand printing, and many more other art activities will be done during the session, and children will get many opportunities to express themselves by coloring. Many worksheets also have some kind of pictures where children enjoy doing coloring, and this all will increase their concentration too. And now, after discussing about all the subjects, I would also like to mention that we also have 2 extracurricular activities, that is sports and music. We will also have lectures related to sports and music where children will explore the singing, music. They will also enjoy the exercise. They will also learn some fitness tips during this extracurricular activities. So parents, this is our curriculum for Junior KG. Now I would like to give you information about our assessment. To refine program and to improve learning assessing is very important. So we have 3 assessments for the whole academic year. Our first assessment will be in the month of September, our second assessment will be in the month of November, and our third assessment will be in the month of March. So after the assessment we will also have one PTI, and all the assessment details will be mentioned in our school diary. All the dates, days and subject. Total information we have in our school diary, so we can, and even the mails will be forwarded to you regarding the assessment. So after discussing our curriculum and assessment, I would also like to mention some specific points that are needed to be followed during the Junior KG session of academic year of 2021-22. And I would also like to mention that we have successfully completed 1 year of online class, and we have already got a lot of positive replies and appreciation for the efforts taken by the staff of Seven Isles International School. So the specific points are that kindly send your email IDs to the school office and to the HR teacher. If there are any changes, kindly let us know so that we can communicate well. You also need to download the Google Meet app, as we will conduct our online class on Google Meet. The link for the online class will be sent through mail to all the parents before 10 minutes of the online class. All the students must join on time, and keeping the camera on is compulsory. And keep your mic on mute. If the teacher asks you to unmute your mic, then only you can unmute the mic, or else please keep your mic on mute during the whole session. The handbook and the worksheets folder is given to you already during the book distribution. So kindly follow the handbook and read all the rules and regulation of our school. And kindly maintain the worksheet folder, as after the worksheet folders are completed, we will check all the worksheets, and the worksheet folder need to be maintained. After that, please cover your all the books and label it properly, and maintain all your books for the whole academic year. The timetable will be given to you. All the 5 subject timetable will be given to you, and we all will follow the timetable. If there are some changes, the teacher will inform you prior. Extracurricular activities like sports and music will be done after the regular class. So the link will be sent by the sports sir and the music sir, and that different link you can join for the extracurricular activity. And in 1 week there will be 1 class for music and 1 class for sports. And the competitions that we conduct will be done after the regular class. During the regular class we don't conduct the competition. There will be 1 more hour for that. So this all are some specific points. I hope the information regarding the curriculum, assessment and the specific points are clear to all. I hope that we cherish this academic year with lots of learning, bonding and lots of activities. Thank you, parents.
Hello dear parents, a warm welcome to one and all. Hope all are doing good during this pandemic. I, Ms. Saili Satpulkar, HR teacher for Junior KG Tulip, will be briefing you about the events, activities, field trips and celebrations which we will be conducting for the academic year 2021-22. Events and activities play a major role in the all-round development of a child. So special focus will be given to the development of various skills in children during their formative years. In Seven Isles International School, we conduct activities every month based on various themes like Shapes Day, Colors Day and With Your Party for the topic Shapes and Colors. Rainy Day for rainy season. We teach various experiments and also speak about the rainy season. Sensory Week for body parts. Market Day for vegetables. Fruits Week for the topic fruits. Vocabulary Week for animals and birds. Transport Day for vehicles. Speak about community helpers. Clean and Clutter Day for the topic cleanliness, to make them understand the importance of cleanliness. Now let's take a look at the events which we will conduct throughout the year. We will organize yoga day to teach the importance of exercises and meditation in our daily life. Language Day is celebrated to honor the variety of languages and skills to fully improve the students. Art makes the life more manageable and enjoyable. To promote the development of art, we will celebrate the Art Day. To mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, we will organize Sadbhavna Yatra. We will celebrate Grandparents' Day to show the gratitude and respect for all the older generation and to honor grandparents. To teach the values and different cultures, we celebrate Humanities Day. We will also organize the party, night out, puppet show, etc. for fun and enjoyment and learning as well. Competitions develop the creativity and make us mentally strong. To develop their skill sets and to boost their self-esteem, we will conduct various competitions like coloring competition, flameless cooking competition, origami competition, fancy dress competition, pencil stand making competition, breaking news competition, dance competition, singing competition, etc. Festivals are an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture and traditions, to rejoice special moments and emotions in children, to teach them the connection with families and society. We will celebrate festivals like Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Christmas and many more. National festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day also celebrated. Field trip acts as a tremendous activity that breaks the monotony of the classroom. To teach the formation of bond with peers, we organize various field trips like nature walk, visit to an eyewear shop, visit to a fruit juice center, visit to a temple, etc. Before I conclude the session of events and activities, on behalf of Seven Isles International School, I would like to thank our Principal Sir, management of our school, our admission coordinator, Ms. Mansi, our pre-primary in charge, Ms. Sita, HR teacher for Junior KG Orchid, Ms. Neha Rawal, and my dear parents. Once again, thank you very much for your valuable time. We will have a fruitful year ahead. Thank you and have a good day.